Hey y'all, welcome back. So I just wanted to show you guys how to harvest sunflower seeds. I know some people wonder where sunflower seeds come from, so I'm going to tell you guys where they come from and how to harvest them. So keep watching these clips. These clips that I'm going to show you are from different times, so I'm going to try to show you different stages of the sunflower seed
You see that purple Cherokee in the back of there?
before they are actually already ready to harvest. So it'll be step by step as much as I can. Keep watching. So your sunflower will start to lose its leaves. This one's a little further past losing its leaves. See, they're real crispy. But yeah, it'll start looking like this. And you see this inside. Well, those are all mini flowers. Those will start falling off once your sunflower seeds are getting closer to being ready. They're actually behind that. One way to tell is all of these leaves will be off. They will fall off by themselves. And the back will turn like a whitish color. It's just when it's still green, but still alive. So we'll give it some time. And I'll keep showing you clips until the sunflower seeds are ready. As you can see, all the leaves are basically off. So now what you do is these little mini flowers on the inside here, you wait for them to start falling off, and that'll let you know if the seeds are ready behind it. So they'll be like black and white, but these are black. This type of flower has black seeds. Another way to tell is if the back is like a pale yellow, it'll tell you if they're ready. Let's check it out. So it's not pale yellow just yet. Oops. Just yet, but you can see that there is seeds back there. And these just rub off. But it ain't ready yet, so just give it time and they'll do it on their own. They'll do it on their own. Okay, y'all, so clearly these are ready. I seriously let it cook way too long. I told y'all I had my baby on busy, but you can see, oops, that right behind there is sunflowers. So I'm gonna just take this out the ground and get to taking the sunflower seeds out. So meet me back in the greenhouse and I will show you how I do that. Okay, y'all, so here it is. Sunflower. Y'all, I'm so upset with these sunflowers this year because last year I had the big mammoth ones and they were so pretty and it was so many sunflower seeds. I wish I did a video on them when I did it last year, but I don't think I did. But I do think I have a picture of them, and I'll show you if I can what they looked like from last year. But they were so pretty and big, the ones I did, which I was hoping for this year these would be, but they tapped out on me. And these were the American Giant sunflowers, so I don't know why they tapped out like this, but I'm gonna show y'all how to harvest these sunflowers seeds. Basically all you do is, let me get closer, pick this stuff off the front, and it be bugs in these, so don't be alarmed. Take all that off the front. You can still see that there's sunflowers seeds back there, and just pick them out. And it should be easy at this point of how crispy I let it get. But yeah, and you just go at it. Shoot, you can break it in half. You can do it one by one. You can take it and just kind of pull at it, and a few will come out like that. But yeah, that's how you get sunflower seeds and harvest them. Some of them are edible, some are just able to be used for more seeds. Um, but if you're going to use them to eat, you just make sure you clean them. You want to soak them real good in some water. And then once that happens, you got to let them dry out. And then you can put them in the oven on 350 with some seasoning, with salt or whatever flavor you want them to be. You do that. But yeah, you just pick them out, you guys. That's how you get sunflower seeds. And you can feed birds with them, cook them, use them to grow other seeds. These ones ain't ready, they just white and soft. But yeah, so you guys have any questions? I'm probably gonna use these to shoot. I probably shouldn't even regrow as little as they went, but we'll see what they do. Saves me a quarter from buying a packet of seeds. So one way to save money in gardening is to save your seeds from things that you grow yourself, that from healthy things at least. But yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Come back and see me. Okay, so those are the steps on how to harvest sunflower seeds. So if you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section. If not, keep watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.